The following is a demonstration of the 1remote app for Kaleidescape. So we access the application for the first time. It's got no settings, but it finds your server automatically, and that's all you need to do. If you have no third-party controller like AMX or Crestron, you just hit done. It'll start to synchronize with your system. It starts by synchronizing movie information. It takes a while because we've got over 300 movies on this one. So that's movies done. Then it synchronizes the albums. So the reason for the synchronize is that you can then access your album details and your movie details anywhere you like. So if you're buying a new movie, you know what you got. You can always check if you have that or not, if you forgot. And that's easy to forget when you got a lot of movies or albums. So start by showing movies, for example. It shows you the zones and players that you have, and you just select one. So I'll select player 1. And then you enter album details. Movie details, and you can basically scroll through all your movies, and you've got, so they're sorted by title. You also have them sorted by the lead actor. That's an option to search as well. You've got new movies collection, so the new movies you have there, and you've got favorites, which you can add in your Kaleidescape web console. You can add to the favorite collection. So that's the collections. In landscape mode, you get all your covers, so you can scroll through, and yeah, you can also tab a cover to see details. And if you double tab, it will take you to your, for example, your movie details. So now you got a synopsis. So you tap the cover or down the corner, you get more details like director, cast, and so forth, ratings. You can choose to play this movie by simply hitting the play button. That starts playing the movie, and this now playing view, you can do gestures to change chapters, fast forwarding, bring up DVD menu, navigate the menu, all the usual things you want to do. There's also the buttons to do it, but that's gestures are generally quite easy to do once you learn them all. Again, you've got your movie details on the back. The gestures are only valid on the front cover. And for example, you can swipe my finger to change chapter. Very easy. I can double tap 2 fingers, if I do it right, to do the DVD menu. Simply navigate the menu using swipe, tab to select, and it'll send it going through. Assuming movie, you can double tab to send a play command, or just hit the play button as well on here. You can also do the usual Kaleidescape status menu. So bring that up. So now you can go and say, for example, I want subtitles, English subtitles, and So that's on now. If you bring up the menu again, you can also, for example, say you want to jump to chapter, let's say, so you select that. So it brings up here the possibility to select the chapter, so I do 12 for example, and then it will jump to that chapter in a moment. There you go. So that's mainly the now playing screen. So let's go back to, let's stop the movie by the way, back to the list. So again, you can bring up menus by hitting the menu or double tapping your fingers, 2 fingers to bring up the Kaleidescape menu. You can navigate that just swiping. You can go to covers for example. 2 finger swipes up and down, by the way, on the list will send the page up and page down. So here you can swipe your finger, for example, to change directions on there, and it's now sorted by similar movies. If you want to do alphabetic, you just give it a shake, and then it'll start sorting by alphabetic. You shake it again, and go back to similar titles. So that's basically it for movies, I think. So go back to lists, select a music player. So I got all my albums, got by artist. Again, it's all searchable. Got new albums. I've got favorite albums. Again, all you have to do here is go into the whip tool, Kaleidescape whip tool, and create a collection called favorites. It's all in the FAQ how to do that, and just add your albums to that, and it'll appear here when you synchronize. So let's just pick one. You can see the tracks here. So the tracks, you can't see that in offline mode, but when you're online you'll see the tracks. See all the information, review and all that, it's all there to browse through. So you want to play that album, we'll go there. Again, use gestures to change tracks, to fast forward, for example, if I can do it right. So that's it. You can again see details up here. You can change track there by tapping it, or play all to play everything again. Turn around, you can use your swipes again. That's basically it. You can now go back if you want to. Change back to movies, and sometimes I'm bored with listening to music, so let's put a movie on. Again, you simply select the movie to play, and it plays it. So that's the main functionality. So if I exit the app, so I'm just show if I turn off Wi-Fi. So if you're out on this buying a new movie or whatever, you simply select the application. It's not going to be able to connect, so you can then say you want to browse offline or retry connecting, but browse offline, and you're still in airplane mode, got all your movie details, etc. So you can know what you're going to buy. That concludes the demonstration for the 1remote app for Kaleidescape with no third-party controller. So thank you for watching.